Yo, what's up guys, Next Size Monk here with the first episode of Juul review, and with me I got my nigga Riley. Hey, so man, I want to introduce something to you, man. This is instead of smoking cigarettes, bro, it is a Juul. Juul? Juul? So crazy, bro. Juul?
Kids in the way, got about 3 side hoes in the condo, and they all want a piece of the game. Could give 2 fucks about a bitch in the shadow. 3 months and they all wanna talk now. I'm a change ass kid for the heat now.
Alright, yo, what is up guys? Back with another video. It's been a while, you know? For today's video, I'm gonna be making a Juul review. Alright, so here's my Juul, you know, without the pod. I got it wrapped a while, like a long time ago. This one's actually pretty old because this is my first Juul, alright? So, brand new pod. The thing is juicy. Look at us. If there's any air bubbles, just, you know, I do this. There you go. So because my Juuls are kind of pretty old, it sometimes fucks up, not gonna lie. It still gives you it still gives me a good kick though. So we're gonna pop it in. It's fucked. There you go. Alright, sit. I gotta get another Juul, man. This thing is actually fucked. But yeah, this is a mint pod. Alright. Nice. Nice. So look, before I keep going, if you're under the age of 18, I do not suggest you juuling because it's not good. Alright, so for today's Juul review, I'm gonna be showing you guys some tricks. So first trick is gonna be a French inhale. It goes like this. You kind of gotta take a good rip. Keep it in your mouth, not in your lungs, and then you just arch your teeth, your jaw. I mean, you gotta arch your jaw a little bit. Go like that, and as you do that, you take like a quick, smooth inhale through the nose, like so. Here, it might look a little bit funny, but this is how you do it. You take a rip and then like that. Okay. So here you go. That's a Frenchie. A French. Second trick is gonna be a bane inhale. I used to be really good at these, but now because I stopped doing them a lot, I'm okay. All right. Peace out. Fucking shit. Now for the bane inhale, it's kind of the same thing as the Frenchie. Okay. So all you gotta do is the same thing. Go like this with your jaw. Inhale through your nose, but as you're doing that with your jaw, you gotta give a smile, like, you know, like it might look weird, but this is how you gotta do it, like that, because the smoke has to go through right here and all that, and it has to make the little bane lines. Okay, so let's take a rip. Not pretty good, but you get the point. I'm gonna try again. Not pretty good, but you get the point. Now for the third trick, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do O. Now with an O, a lot of people do it differently. Some people go like this, some people go like this. I don't really know. The way I do it, you keep it in, get a good rip from your Juul, go like some people keep it in their mouths. What I suggest is you take a hit, let it go into your lungs, blow a little bit out, and then for your O's, you gotta go like this. A little light, gentle cough, and you gotta form your lips into an O. So it might look funny, but it'll look sexy when you're doing the O's. I'm not really good at them because I stopped doing O's because I don't really Juul for tricks nowadays. I Juul for just for the buzz. This is how it looks. So you take a hit, then you go, and then keep some of the smoke inside, and then you do this with your lips. And then as you're doing that, you gotta go like a little cough, like Alright, so I'm gonna try doing, I haven't done them in months now, but alright. Pretty good, right? For the fourth trick I'm gonna show you guys is a ghost inhale. Now for the ghost inhale, this one you need to keep it in your mouth too. Don't let it go down to your lungs. Keep it in your mouth. You take a hit, keep it in. Some people find it easy if they go like this first. After they take the hit, go like, and then after, don't blow it out. Let it come out by itself. You open your mouth and let the smoke come out. So this is how it looks like. You take a hit, keep it in your mouth. Optional, you can go like this. I sometimes do that, and then you gently open your mouth like, you know, and then a quick inhale. So everything all together is like, you know. So this one I do all the time. So here you go. So there you go. I'm gonna do one more time. There you go. Easy, it's simple. Yeah, that was today's Juul review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep it real, subscribe. So let me just do all of them all at once. That was ass. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.